Hello everyone, I want to thank the KneadAce brand for providing me with this excellent bread scoring lame set in exchange for my honest impressions. This set comes with 5 blades, and you can always order more refills. Did you know that the word lame comes from the French word for blade? Traditional French bakers used simple razor-sharp blades mounted on small handles to slash the tops of dough before baking, and over time that tool became known simply as a lame. It's been used for centuries in artisan baking, not only to create decorative scoring but more importantly to control how bread expands in the oven. When your dough goes into the oven, the heat rapidly converts the water inside into steam. That steam wants to escape, and without a designated path, your loaf can burst unpredictably along weak spots in the crust. That's why you score your dough. It creates controlled expansion points so the bread can rise upward, not outward. It prevents blowouts, those random ruptures that can make your loaf look lopsided. It shapes the final structure, helping you achieve that gorgeous ear and open crumb we all love. And because a lame is sharper and thinner than a kitchen knife, it cuts the dough cleanly without tugging or deflating it. I can't believe I went years using various knives that would ruin my score lines and cause my finished breads to look dreadful. My first attempt using this KneadAce Lame was an eye-opener. The super sharp lame in this clever hand-held retractable holder gives me super clean scores and a lot of control over my designs. So if you're diving into homemade bread, a lame isn't just a cute accessory, it's a necessary tool that gives you control, consistency, and all the artisan bread magic we're chasing. Thanks again to KneadAce for leveling up my baking setup. I hope you'll give this high-quality lame a go. Thank you and ta-ta for now.